Welcome to the story of true education. My name is Tuna Win from Primary 4 Capable, and I would like to introduce you to John and Julia, who are siblings and they attend the same class and school. The pupil who receives the highest grade in their class will receive a brand new backpack, as promised by their parents.
Hey, John and Julia. We are going to get one new backpack. Whoever plays first in the class will get one new backpack from us. How are your studies?
We think the best of you two, so try your hardest.
Since the questions are usually the same, I'll study every previous question paper in order to win that backpack.
I plan to finish the book. I think it's crucial to understand the material.
Okay.
The results come in, and John receives the highest grade and the brand new backpack. Julia is ranked second.
The one who received the highest mark is John. John, please come and receive your certificate. Congratulations, John.
Thanks, guys.
Well done, John. I'll continue to study.
Okay.
The family celebrates John's accomplishment by going out.
Let's celebrate with delicious foods.
We are happy for you both. Savor your foods.
Wait. John, this is your present as I promised.
Oh, yay. Thanks.
Congratulations, John. Keep it on.
I can't wait. Let's eat.
Okay.
The owner and the manager of the restaurant approached them after dinner to make an exciting announcement.
Greeting kids, we are having an entertaining children quiz. A notebook, a backpack, and a water bottle will be gifted to winners. Are you prepared to put your expertise to the test?
Yeah, I'm prepared.
Let's see what questions they have.
Not just the previous exam papers, but the books they've read are also covered in the quiz questions.
Hello, everyone. I'm the quiz host. And what is your name?
I'm Julia.
And you?
I'm John.
This is for you. And this is for you. Good luck, kids.
I'm done.
And you?
Okay.
While John finds some questions difficult, Julia successfully answers every one of them.
Maybe you or maybe me. Not sure. It was really hard for me. Plus, I'm sweating to get the answers.
It's really fast also.
Same. Oh, look, there they are.
Congrats, Julia! The water bottle, the backpack, and the notebooks are yours! Yay! I'm happy!
John picks up a valuable lesson, which is getting good grades isn't the only thing that counts as a meaningful education.
John and Julia, haven't you changed your clothes yet?
Later, Dad.
Yeah, I'm too tired, Dad.
I'm grateful. I'm happy. I could put the books lesson to work.
I see why it's important to comprehend what we study in addition to only getting good grades.
Julia, great job. John, keep in your mind that understanding is also part of learning.
We are happy for you both continue studying and investigating.
From now on, I'll pay closer attention to comprehension.
Through this experience, John and Julia then carry on their learning journey, with now John placing equal value on knowledge and academic success. Dear listeners, remember, success isn't measured by grades, but it's measured by how you understand and how you apply what you've learned.